Module LaTeX Introduction to LaTeX. Hi all, my name is Anna Maria Filipas, and in the next few videos I'm going to show you how to use LaTeX, and I hope to encourage you to use LaTeX in your future scientific projects, so for writing your scientific papers and so on. So actually, what is LaTeX? Here it says that LaTeX is a high-quality typesetting system. It includes features designed for the production of technical and scientific documentation. And here it says that actually is a standard for the communication and publication of scientific documents. So actually, LaTeX is widely used in writing scientific documents in many fields. For example, here, mathematics, physics, computer science, economics, and so on. And the best part of all of it is it's actually a free software. So here it says LaTeX is available as a free software. So you can work in LaTeX online and offline. I'm going to show you the online version of LaTeX and then also how to install LaTeX on your local machine, so you then will be able to use LaTeX without your internet connection. Here you can see some benefits of using LaTeX. So actually the first one is, like it says here, a beautiful typeset output. So LaTeX is actually designed as a software by mathematicians for producing beautifully typeset mathematics. So here it says that LaTeX also does an exceptional job at handling visual components such as font, spacing, and line breaks. So actually when you're working in LaTeX, the only thing that matters to you is the content of your document or of your topic, and LaTeX will do the rest. So LaTeX will work on spacing, on output of your document, and so on. Why is that? Because LaTeX algorithms that are used by LaTeX to justify text and also to control hyphenation work much better than the ones that are designed by other similar softwares. Then we have structured files. So actually LaTeX forces authors to specify various elements of the document, for example, title, authors, chapters, section headings, environment, and so on. So actually this is a big advantage because it forces author to organize the document in a logical way. And then you have management of internal references and also management of citations. So LaTeX does a very good job at handling numbering and internal referencing within the document. And also the same thing goes for citations. That's in customizable. So that means that there exists a number of packages which you can use to do stuff in your documents. And also it's user-friendly and also commonly used, of course. And last but not least is easily convertible. So the files are easily convertible. That means that you can, if you want output in PDF, that's not a problem. So PDF is actually most used output. But if you, for example, want output in HTML, that's also not a problem. And also, I'm going to stress this one more time. LaTeX is a free source. So you don't have to pay anything for it. And I think that maybe when you try to learn LaTeX, you may wonder, why am I doing this? Why am I needing this? And so on. But I encourage you to start to learn it, because once you master it, it will be very easy to write your document and very quick. And for the end of this introduction, I put here some themes which I'm going to go through in my videos. So I'm going to show you, like I said before, Overleaf, an online LaTeX editor. So this is an online version of LaTeX. And then I'm going to show you how to install LaTeX on your local machine. I actually prefer offline version of LaTeX, but I'm going to tell you why in this video. Then we are going to create our first LaTeX document together. So we are going to go through some basics first, and then I'm going to show you how to add figures in your document, how to create tables and lists in LaTeX. Then you may wonder how to add literature to the document, so we're going to go through that also. And then how to add table of contents, list of figures, and list of tables. And actually you will see that's pretty simple. Then I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in LaTeX. So actually, if you have code in LaTeX already written in your text editor, it will be very easy to create a presentation. In the 8th video, I decided to show you some tricks and tips how to combine LaTeX with data and R. So I think that will be very interesting for you to hear. And then for the end, I'm going to show you how to create an article in LaTeX, actually how to start to create an article in LaTeX. So most journals actually already have LaTeX templates. And we are going to go through concrete example of that in that video. So I hope you will enjoy watching this video and that you will learn something new about LaTeX. And like I said before, I hope to encourage you to use LaTeX in future.